Everyone, today we are making Christmas table decoration. Actually, you can also use it as a Christmas wreath. I just want to show you my table in the middle of creating. And this is what comes out. Some of already half-finished decorations. So we need a piece of cardboard, and I'm gonna put this alufolia around. You can also make a hole that it's gonna be a wreath, as you want. Before you start gluing everything up, just do a hole here if you want to hang it. Now we'll glue everything up with hot glue. So first I glue the pine cones. Now I'm gonna glue this one. And just watch out that you don't glue this hole. You can put a string here and hang it. So now we're gonna glue all the balls. So like this. I still have 2 more to go, and watch out for the hole again. Okay, so now it's finished. So as I said, you can improvise everything. You can use it for a table decoration. You can just put candle on top, like this, or like this one. You can even serve some hot cocoa, tea or chocolate on it, or some cookies, or you put some snowballs in between, or again just some vase, some other decoration inside, or a candle. You can even add these stars, or these ones, or these ones, or add these stars and pine cones. Or hang it and use it as a Christmas wreath. At the beginning you can even cut this out. I hope I gave you some ideas. If you like it, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in another one. Happy December. Ciao.